Hello children, today we will discuss about superlative degree of class 3 grammar book. Okay, in last class we have discussed about positive degree and comparative degree. Okay, it is clear. Now we will discuss about superlative degree. Okay, look here, Nikhil is the thinnest of all the boys in the class 3. Okay, so here no other boy is thinner than Nikhil. Okay, in general thin is used means all the boys are thin. Okay, and when we compare between two boys, then we have to say Nikhil is thinner than any other boy. And when we compare more than two boys, then we have to say Nikhil is the thinnest boy in the class. Okay, here Nikhil is the thinnest of all the boys in class 3. Okay, when we compare three or more people or things with the same quality, we use the est form of the adjective to show a person or thing has to highest degree of that quality. This form of adjective is called the superlative degree. Okay, here Nikhil is the thinnest boy. Nikhil is the thinnest boy in the class. Here highest degree of that quality, thinnest. Okay, highest degree of that quality. Here highest degree of that quality means thin. So highest degree of that quality is thinnest. Okay, this form of adjective is called the superlative degree. Clear? And one more example is here. Diya's desk is the neatest of all. No other desk is neater than Diya. Diya's desk is the neatest of all. Okay. So it is the superlative degree. Clear? And look at this chart. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In positive degree, tall, and superlative degree, taller, and comparative degree, tallest. And positive degree, short, and comparative degree, shorter, and comparative degree, shorter, and superlative degree, shortest. In the same way, quick, quicker, quickest, nice, nicer, nicest, safe, safer, safest, happy, happier, happiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, easy, easier, easiest, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest. And one thing remember, in comparative degree, at the end er is added. Okay, here in comparative degree at the end er is added, and in superlative degree at the end est is added. Okay, in most cases est is added, and some exceptional case, handsome, more handsome, most handsome, delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Okay, now rewrite these sentences using the adjectives in their correct forms. Number 1, Mohan is old than Amit. So here there are two persons. So Mohan is older than Amit. Okay. And second one, today is the cold day of the year. Of the year. That means here than is not written here. If than is written here, that means it is compared between two persons. But here of the year, than is not written here. So today is the coldest day. So here superlative degree is used. Is the coldest day of the year. Okay. Right answer will be Today is the coldest day of the year. And the third one, Ooty is cool than Delhi. There are two names here, name of place Ooty and Delhi. So here compare between two things. So it is comparative degree. So it will be cooler. Ooty is cooler than Delhi. And number 4, Naresh is the noisy boy in the class. In the class means whole class. Naresh is the noisiest. Okay, noisiest boy. So here Naresh is the noisiest boy in the class. Spelling will be Noisiest. Noisiest boy in the class. And then Mohana is the pretty girl in the class. Means in the whole class, Mohana is the then prettiest girl. Okay. So here superlative degree. Mohana is the prettiest girl in the class. And spelling will be Prettiest. Prettiest girl in the class. And before superlative degree, the is written, the prettiest girl. And number 6, ice cream is tasty than milk. So there are two things, ice cream and milk. So it is comparative degree. So here ice cream is tastier than milk. Tastier than milk. Spelling Tastier. Tastier than milk. Okay. So now you have known how to change in comparative degree and superlative degree. So that's all. Okay, thank you.